So we're midway through our Asus motherboard comparison video and we got the opportunity to do a build off. We don't always get builds that are identical in the shop, but this occasion we have. Two identical custom PC builds, absolutely identical in every way apart from the cases, just ever so slightly different with the colours. These are the components and we're going to do a build off. We're going to have Harry and Nate, both of our technicians and production team, who are going to be doing that. Guys, get in the shot. They've got each a knife each for opening boxes. We're going to flip a coin for the ratchet screwdriver, and whoever doesn't get it is going to get a box of screwdrivers here. So let's start with the coin toss. Heads or tails?
Tails.
Tails it is. Harry gets the screwdriver. Right. And we'll go. Nate's on fire.
Yeah, Jesus Christ.
That was unboxing like a fucking pro.
Yeah.
Unboxing by itself. You just get static.
Get out my territory.
I wonder what happens if I just...
Hey, what are you doing?
hide this.
This is going.
Aha! I just got the look. I just got the look off Harry. The look that you have got to caption that says, "Oh shit, I'm losing."
Within the sound of silence.
That was awesome.
This is going.
What?
What do you mean my SSD?
What are you looking for?
SSD.
What SSD?
My SSD. Where you put it?
I don't know.
Yeah, where am I?
I don't know where it is. It's there, mate.
Oh, handicap me.
It's alright, I've handicapped Nate. We'll find out when it comes to it.
So where in case this goes?
No one's, I've definitely
I put all the stuff in there.
Oh, I know where it is.
This is going.
We have judged each build and we're going to rate it on points out of 10 for speed, cable management and build quality. Speed, Nate wins. With 59 minutes, 11 seconds, we give him an 8 out of 10. 7 out of 10 for you, because you only finished so many seconds after, at 1 hour, 10 seconds. Cable management, not great. So 5 out of 10 for cable management for each of you. It's close, it's close. Build quality. Your power supply is the wrong way around. Your air filter's on the bottom. You've left in your standoffs. Yours, you have not plugged in your hard drive. Your hard drive's not plugged in. Overall, it was quite hard because your build quality was kind of the same. I mean, to look at them, they look almost identical. But I've given you both a 7 out of 10 for build quality, which has actually put Nate in the lead by 1 point on speed. So
I'm now going to redo it.
the blue one is good.
Seconds.
But yeah, based on a 40-second lead. But moral of the story is cable management.
I'm totally going to Photoshop a little granddad beard and hat on you.
Yeah, do it. So that concludes the build off. As you can see, Nate has actually gone in and rewired his just to clean it up a little bit before it goes to the customer. The same is going to happen to this one. If you like the video, like it. If you disliked it, dislike it. If you'd like to see us do it again, leave a comment in below, and we'll see you on the next one.